How do I express interest in someone on Facebook dating?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss a modern aspect of digital social interaction: how to express interest in someone on Facebook dating. We'll guide you through this process step by step, so you can confidently and respectfully engage with potential matches.
Understanding Facebook dating.
Facebook dating is a feature within Facebook's main app. It functions much like other dating apps, allowing you to match and converse with potential partners based on shared interests and other criteria. The main point to remember is respect and communication are key when interacting on this platform.
Viewing and liking profiles.
Once you've set up your Facebook dating profile, you can begin browsing potential matches. If you find someone you're interested in, the first step is to like their profile. This is an initial, non-verbal way of expressing your interest.
Sending a message.
After liking someone's profile, you can take a more direct approach by sending a message. This is where you can introduce yourself and start a conversation. It's important to be polite, respectful, and show genuine interest in getting to know the other person.
Engaging in conversation.
Once a conversation is started, try to engage in a way that shows you're interested and attentive. Ask about their interests, share common experiences, and be responsive to their messages. Remember, the quality of the conversation can often determine the success of the connection.
Using Secret Crush.
Facebook dating offers a feature called Secret Crush, where you can select up to 9 of your Facebook friends or Instagram followers whom you have an interest in. If they also add you to their secret crush list, it's a match. This feature allows you to express interest in people you already know. And there you have it, your guide to expressing interest on Facebook dating. Remember, be respectful, be genuine, and most importantly, be yourself. Happy dating, and we hope this video has been helpful to you.